Hey guys, I wanted to send out a quick screen recording as I know you guys are hopefully diving into a little bit of this Booj technology with Remax. If you're not, you should definitely take some time to look at it if you've got some extra time. But I wanted to show you quickly, if you are in the Booj system and you've uploaded your contacts into there, how easy it is to send out campaigns or newsletters or emails that show, hey, it's time to change the clocks back when that comes. We all dread that day. So a multitude of different things. So I just wanted to quickly show you. Obviously, you need to be in remax.net. I think we all know how to get into there. And you want to go and find the Booj tile. So once you click the Booj tile, it will open up your Booj dashboard is what they call it. And if you've done some stuff in here, you'll be familiar with the dashboard. Let that load up. So this is what the dashboard looks like. And what I want to show you guys is I've uploaded, our contacts into this system and manually been adding people as I meet them, adding them into the system. But it's simple steps. You want to go into campaigns. So you have to have your people into the database first to make this work. So step number one, I know we've gone over that a couple times. I've helped some people upload their stuff into it. If you do need help with this, certainly let me know. I'll be happy to help you out with uploading them into the system. So what you want to do is you want to go here and it'll open up. Right now they do not have recurring drip or newsletter technically set up yet. They're working on those functions, but they do have the single set up. So what I've done here, and I just spent about 45 minutes, you go in here and you hit add campaign. Don't worry about naming it now. You can change it later. It's a single campaign and the availability is personal. If as an office administrator, I can go in and actually create office sort of newsletters and things and then choose an office if I'm under that feature. But I wanted to show you guys as a single realtor what to do. So don't worry about naming it now. You hit single, personal, and then you hit build campaign. So that'll take you to what looks like, oh my God, I don't want to create my own campaign. I don't want to create my own newsletter, that type of thing. If you, right here, you click select a template and it'll drop down. Originally, it's going to only show you 5 results per page, and you can see they've created already a September newsletter, an August newsletter, a July newsletter, June, and May. So they've done that. They started to do this back in May. They created newsletters for us to use. We simply drop them in, plug and play type situation. So if you want to send out a September newsletter, I just want to show you how simple this is. So you can preview it by clicking the preview button here. It pops up to a bigger window. Shows you what it says. You can alter it if you want, but you hit use this template. So that will take you over to the template. Okay, so it shows you tips for making your space feel bigger. It's got a nice image. Do you have a crowded space? It goes through all kinds of stuff about removing clutter, keeping pathways clear, lighten up, all kinds of nice information. Homeowner tip of the month. Each newsletter now has a homeowner tip of the month, and it's referenced, at that time for that newsletter. So checking windows and doors for drafts before temperatures drop, kind of friendly reminder. Ways you can save money as a homeowner. Goes through all this. Happy Labor Day. I don't know why it's showing that. There may be a glitch in the system right now. Then it does go down and shows you your email signature. So it will have your picture, your name, your personal number, and then the office number and everything is listed below. So as simple as that, you can literally hit save and continue. And then it brings you to the next step, which is, okay, here's where you can change it. And what I've done is just gone, copied the subject line. You click the little pencil button here and then paste it, hit this little check mark, and that will, I'm going to create it as new because I already have one set up on here. Check the little check box. That saves the name for you. You've already selected the template. This is the email subject. If you want to copy and paste this in, you can hit copy and paste and put the same thing in what they call the preview text. Some email providers have a little bit of preview text like on your iPhone and things like that. And then what you can do is you can actually schedule this to send, or so you can schedule it by clicking this and literally saying, hey, I want it to send out on Friday. I want it to send out at 8 a.m. on Friday. You can hit, and then you hit add recipients, and you can say all contacts and leads, hit add recipients. That drops down. Does take a little while. For some reason, I click on mailable, and then it'll update it and say, hey, I've got 1,417 mailable email records in there. I do have 31 duplicates. I'll have to clean that up, and you guys may have the same. Technically, there's 431 in there that are unmailable, so they're bad email addresses, and I'll have to go through and clean that up. But literally, you hit all contacts and then hit save and schedule. As soon as you hit save and schedule, you are done. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So hit save and schedule. Boom, you're done. So now when you go back to campaigns, you can view all of them, drafts or schedules, and you can see that I scheduled, a couple different things this evening. First day of winter, time to spring forward. In the spring, I've already started scheduling stuff for next spring just to play with it. Happy Thanksgiving. These ones I forgot to change the name to. Home decor ideas for fall, so I scheduled that to go out on October 1st. This one I forgot to change the name to again, and this one was the September newsletter. So I scheduled all these to go out, and they are automatically going to go out with my branding below it, all that type of stuff, and you guys will have the same features as far as like an agent that you can do that. So I just wanted to show you quickly how easy that is. If you do go into add campaign again, build campaign, go back into the system and select template. Like I said, it does just show the newsletters originally. It only shows 5. But if you click this button and drop down to 100 results per page, there are hundreds of them. There's actually 120 different campaigns that will show up. So let me clear this. It should show these. Of course, it's not going to work while I'm trying to record this for you. But typically when you click here, let me hit reset all filters. It does show you more. Let me go back real quick. Of course, go figure. A glitch. Click select template. And okay, here you go. So now you've got stuff about social distancing, to-do lists, support your local businesses during COVID, virtual home buying process, virtual at-home date ideas, entertaining kids at home, helping during COVID-19. They're all like cool things that you can send out, like showing people how you care. It's February newsletter. There's things for happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, property anniversary. You can go into that, your one client, pick what day they bought the property, schedule it literally the day of settlement. After you leave settlement, go into the system, make sure their name's in there, make sure their property and anniversary's in there, and then literally schedule it as a recurring thing that's going to go out every year on that date. They're going to get a property anniversary email from you. Set it once and it's done, and it will happen every year for the end of time. You've got things about different anniversaries, fall home decor ideas, first day of winter, home decor ideas for winter. And then there's a bunch of things real estate related, home inspection questions, just a general thank you email, preparing your home for winter, winterizing your home, all cool tips, common buyer questions. There's a multitude of different things. What I did was I just kind of went through certain things that were like winter and fall related. Fallback, somewhere down here I found there was a fallback, the clock change time. I went on and just Googled it and figured, okay, when's the date that the time falls back? And I scheduled it to go out a day or two before that, and basically just went in and scheduled about 10 different things to take place over the next 2 to 3 months, and that will constantly sort of drip on people. They're going to see, hey, Rob Hamilton sending out information, or Marge Morrison sending out information, or Melanie Fox is sending out information, and it's just constantly dripping on these people. Content, good content. Remax is creating it for you. You don't have to do anything. It's literally pick a template, pick which one you want to use, schedule it, hit save, add your recipients list. Now that's the big step, is adding the recipients. Add the recipient list, save and schedule, and you're done. It's scheduled. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Take some time, schedule it out for a couple months, and hopefully that'll work for you guys. So just wanted to send that out. Hopefully that helps you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.